Today I'll be explaining my way of understanding the solution that Mind Your Decisions give. So we understand the problem first. So the circle will move around circle B, and revolve means when the circle will spin a whole revolution, and that is one revolution. Okay, so let's understand the problem. So we do it like Mind Your Decisions did. We make the circumference into a straight line. So this is A, this is B, and so this is 3, and then this is D. It's like this. So B is actually 3A, because as you know, this is, we just let this as 1 and this is 3. So 2 pi, the formula for circumference, over formula for circumference, we get 3, which means that B is also equals to 3A. In other words, it is, we can divide B into 3 parts. Okay, and all this is equal in length. So this is circumference, right? The B is circumference. So we draw back the circle, and then because we divide it into 3 parts, we divide the circle into 3 parts as well. I'm sorry, we divide it like this. Okay, and then this is circle A. Just use the arrow to show it that it's upright, to show the direction of the ball. Okay, so if circle A travels, it will reach like this, right? Do you guys agree with me? Because this is the circumference, and when it travels along circumference, the circumference is the same, so it will become like this at the end of the line, which means that if circle A travels through circumference B, this will also be like that, then like here also, and here also. Okay, and that is the misconception about this, bukan not misconception, but the trick in this question. We would thought that the revolution will be 3, but it's actually 4, just as it's stated in the video, because the formula n plus 1. So we will try to understand the formula n plus 1 today. So why is it not 3 and it is actually 4? Okay, we open the circumference of the circle into a straight line. So after we do that, we get this one, right? So we put back this straight line into a circle. So we put it back into this, we shape it back, and when we shape it back into a circle, we will get, this is this one, we will actually get, wait, before that I will explain. Because this one is the one that touch the circumference of the circle, which means it touches this one, because it is 1/3 of this whole line. So this here at this point, circle A will actually be like this and not like this, if you understand, because if you open back this straight line, it will get like this. Yeah, if you open it back, and now we close it back, it will get like this. And what this actually is actually 1/3 of the circle. So from here, it has actually traveled like this. So from here to here, it has traveled 1 plus 1/3. 1 is the whole rotation from this one, and 1/3 is when you put it back into circle, it is like this. So it plus 1/3, and this one is also the same, like that. So this is what also 1 plus over 3 from this one, and then you travel again 1 plus 1/3. So in total, it is 4 revolutions, and that is why the answer is 4 and not 3, because when you put it back into the circle, it will make it, it has a fraction that how much it has revolved, other than when it revolves when in a straight line. And yeah, that's all about the video, but I will explain about the coins also. Same size, and but when it revolves, it moves, it is also like this. So when you compare the line, this is actually not when you open up the circumference, and at this point it does not actually touch this point of the circle does not actually touch this point. So when this is the origin, it is actually like this. So to better understand, you better visualize it. You open the circle and then you close it, and at this point it is like this. So when you put it back into the circle half, it is like this. It just appears upright because it has traveled half of its how I say, half of its shape. Yeah. That's all. Thank you.